that's not good. What? Yeah. Hear that?
Yeah. My gas cap fell off.
That's why I was smelling gas.
Yeah. I thought I was hitting puddles. Fuck.
I kept smelling gas. I checked mine.
Fuck.
Do you hear my motor?
Yeah.
What the fuck is that?
I don't know. It's whirling.
Yeah.
God damn it.
And now it doesn't want to idle. Sounds like it might be this.
Yeah, it's a bearing or something. Fuck, we gotta go back.
Yeah.
God damn it. Well, we can look for my gas cap.
We gotta find your gas cap and.
It fell off as soon as you started hitting the trail.
Yeah, that's when I
hit a
started
puddle
smelling
and
gas.
I got wet.
Yeah, when I stopped here, all of a sudden I heard it make a noise. Did you hear it or something?
Yeah. When you got up to me, I heard a white whirling.
Yeah, I heard it too, so I shut it off.
Well, that's a bearing.
Is it bearing?
Sometimes. Start it up and let's listen to it.
Oh, 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 oh.
But other than that, your bike's running good.
Yeah,
You're
running
right
fine.
on my ass.
Now it won't start.
Take this cover off. I got a wrench right in my car.
That's all right.
God damn it. Where the fuck's my gas cap?
I don't know.
Did I never put it on? I don't see how that could have happened.
Yeah, I kept smelling gas though, and I was like, what the fuck? I even looked down to see if I was leaking, you know, at my fuel
Yeah,
line.
I smelled gas. That's when I looked down right there and went, holy shit, I don't have a gas cap.
Fuck, I'm having fun though. Damn it.
God,
I was having a good time.
what a fucking idiot. I know we went riding and Kevin forgot to put his oil